Okay, so I had to update Java, and so it asked me to close everything, and now my Stream Deck isn't working anymore. So I'm reopening my Stream Deck. Hold on. Okay, it works. Hello, everybody. Welcome in. How's it going? We are back live. I'm gonna be live tomorrow, but I want to do a quick live today. Why not? But coding today. We are doing coding. Before we are doing coding, we are watching the new WhatUp video. WhatUp just released a video 56 minutes ago titled I hosted the goofiest Minecraft talent show. And for some of you who might not know, I was in there. Not as a participant, but as server. I'm not gonna say everything because I have a few things to tell. I'll post the video to talk on stuff that happened behind the scene that even WhatUp doesn't know because I didn't tell everybody everything. So yeah. Well, we'll see. Every time there's something, my name appears, something happens, that I have a story to tell, I'll post the video and talk about it. One by one. So let's get started. If I do that, you should see that's the video. There's actually nothing because that's just as you can see the video. I'm not even going to do anything. Also, I need to change the audio to have the music. So I need to do that maybe, and then do. What is it? That's it? Yeah. Okay, you can hear it. Awesome. Alright. So you can already see some stuff in chat here. You can see that that's an egg from Pixel Official. And you can see there's already a few stuff to talk. So the fact that Jakarta has a blue thing, that wasn't a thing until like halfway through the video, I think. And this thing in the chat, also it's buzzes that I added because some people, and by I mean the organizers, so Wob, Pink, Moody's, and Kiruki, they're judges, I'll say later. They had crossbow, you'll see. And so through the video, I removed them accidentally and added buzzes. But we'll see. There we go. You can see they have crossbows with some fireworks. And the thing here, they all have white names. That was a thing at the start. That was the very start. I remember I think they weren't live, but we built. I mean, they built because I didn't do shit. But they built the stage. I think 20 minutes before this went live, because this was filmed live on the WhatUp YouTube channel. I don't know if we can see the talent show. You'll see my recommended, but I don't really give a fuck. If we go here onto the WhatUp YouTube channel, and then we go to live. What is it? That's the editing stream. SR. Hey, there's also a stream 2 months ago, as you can see. They also have all of different names, that's fine. So yeah, that's the thing. It lasted for an hour and a half. I think this stage was being built like 20 minutes before the talent show started, because I joined while they were building. I asked Quabdo if I could join to like code some stuff to make the experience a bit better. And he said, yeah, sure, you can come and watch and code and stuff. And so I was like, awesome. And so I did that, and they were building this stage and stuff while, like, literally 20 minutes before the stream started. Yeah. Where did Muzi spawn a car? Oh yeah. Getting chat here. As you can see here, they have no buzzers or anything. That's a very style. You'll see throughout the video, you'll see that the red buzzers, and you'll see a golden buzzer too. I'll show up through the video, you'll see. Which is the only valid answers. I mean, is there anything wrong with that? Oh. The Fox 580 spotted in chat. So yeah, I'll mainly be in spec. I think I was like creative invincible. With like an invisibility potion. Flying mostly here. So you probably won't see me, but I was like standing here watching that on this angle. And when I wasn't here, I was behind testing buttons to see if they worked for my code worked. You'll see. Yeah. That change up. Yeah, you can see for like a frame here. Yeah, reloading script in Tancho. I can't go forward one frame, so I'm gonna have to. But yeah, I'm running the script in Tancho because that was just I legit just joined in, put it up scripts, and we're like, all right, this is a small thing. I'm gonna use scripts, not that hard, and so I just did that, and that was really cool. Okay, that's like you get to hear. Also, that I really three good. Yeah, you'll see me if you see in chat. I'm just coding basically. The buzzers in. That's right, but the live stream lasted for an hour and a half, and that video is 30 minutes. So you obviously had a website. I'm breaking the illusion. You obviously had a website with the script on. Yeah, you can see that wasn't here. That's a new thing I added. That's the first thing I worked on was the golden buzzer. I think you see it in the thumbnail. I don't have it here. My YouTube is weird because I don't see any thumbnail. But if I do that, there we go. There's a buzzer here. This buzzer wasn't in until like, as you can see, the start. But yeah. So yeah, the buzzer was the thing that the first thing I did was the golden buzzer. Then I did the red buzzer to remove someone. The goal at the end was to have the lamps at the bottom light up when you press the button. And then, yeah, so you can see here, there's lights. The goal was that each button would be, oh, you can see me here. I guess he has a mod to see the invisible people. But I had invisible potion, so you wouldn't be able to see me here. And so here you can see the lights here. The goal was that each button has a buzzer, and I would turn on the light. I didn't do that, but that would have been the ultimate goal. And same for the gold medal, I'll light this one in the middle and light all of them and shoot fireworks. But I didn't end up do that because I didn't have time. But yeah. Oh yeah, they all give score. I don't know if the score was canon or something, but you'll see. Wasn't very discreet. Apparently everybody in admin could see. Probably everybody with admin pumps could see me. I didn't realize that. I think, and now they have the buzzers, which they don't have here, but he has here. So yeah, you can see the golden buzzer was on the side to make it different, and also it's a sort of yellowish one. And this one is a red facing them. You see that it's their buzzer. There you go. There are buzzers. And then you can see me fly. I was just flying around here. I'm pretty sure he's using replay mod, or if he's using replay mod, he just hit everybody else except the person who's talking. And if not, if he's using flashback, I think you can also do that. I'm getting tips for people who get positive in red and not positive in green. I think Chen was one of the like 2 or 3 that weren't boss, so you'll see him in green. Yeah, Buzz in red. Open green, and you'll see chat in here. Wow. 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 I forgot he said that. Yes, he said that. I forgot. Je ne sais quoi. Which does that mean whatever I think it means, I think. It means I don't know it. I don't know if that's a different meaning in English. I believe so. But in French, it does just mean, I don't know, something. Yeah, they do give scoring each. I don't think it matters, but at the end of each round, every time someone goes in chat, I'll show the scores of everybody. Sorted. With colors. Says with SpongeBob. Let's make it Mike is. It was 1 a.m. when that was filmed, I believe. Yes. It was pretty late. But I mean, I'm used to late recording because I just hang out with people in America, so they just gotta move my sleep schedule late to like 5 or 6 a.m., which is bad. It's the SpongeBob behind. See, it's the behind. No, you're good. You can see me on the side. The other thing with doing different accents for some reason. That was not SpongeBob. Oh, you can see I'm reloading the scores. They were all in VC, but everybody was in a VC. I think. I don't think they were in the stage. I think they were all in VC. And just everybody unmuted or unmuted. Did or unmuted. Ooh, Batman. The very small British audience. Oh no, no, we're not doing thank you for My Hero Academia. Actually, we didn't even see or hear. I mean, we saw SpongeBob, we didn't hear him in the video. The background is not the same, I think. Maybe it is. No, there's a thing behind, right? They have a thing behind, like the spawn area, I remember. Did they remove that after? No, because we blew the whole thing afterwards. That had to be filmed. He didn't see the golden buttery on the side. Yeah, winner! Yeah, he's now 3 seconds. Well, I added the /fly comment to just make them fly up because they would just give like levitation 1 billion to like for infinite. So I did add the /fly comment to make them go fly. Oh, you did see the scores. Yeah, on the side. They used to not show the score. But yeah, so that would be the scores every time after a round. I'd update the scores and show them to everybody. Yeah, see, there's this bit here. You can see here, this, I guess it just filmed more down? No. I guess you could just modify. Oh, Dove did not like that. Is it? That's not very well. Oh, the Blood Bridge Houses. Right. And Luna was the horrible one, I think. Right, I did work on that. I was the server behind him. Next time we do that, I will ask them to just send me the file and I'll try to compile everything into a single texture pack and then send it to, like, put it as a server texture pack. Because it's, was doing everybody had to, like, download on Discord and then install it. It's not just have to have it on the server directly if you do another one of that. It is cool. It is very well made. You can see the animated texture when you load the bow, which is just the bow has different texture when you load it. So I guess it just every texture of like every stage of loading just is a different, but it is cool. And then you see the arrow particle, which I think is the crit. Nothing. I don't remember which particle is the arrow one. They just replace it with this purple one, and the arrow also was different. Is this white thing here, as you can see, and then we also had the stone sword, which was a moody sword, which was a Moody's for a Moody's texture pack. I think he uses that sword for like MCCI. When he plays MCCI, and you have a stone sword, he has this sword as his texture pack, and so you just he just has this when he plays. You can see if he goes live on Twitch and he plays MCCI, he probably has this texture pack because it's just it's him. He asked Lily Sino to do it, which is really cool. I did that too. give it to me because and then here you can see I removed everybody's inventory, so they only had the crossbows, which to be fair they used once at the start and they used the butter afterwards. I don't think he saw that everybody already has it. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Same. It is. It is. It is extremely annoying. Well, not really. Oh, I guess there is shade on the. I thought when you meant texture, it's shaders. It is not shade. It's just shade on the texture, which is just texturing. It's cool. Because you see texturing in the Infinity, there is no shade. It's just plain colors. Because it's not meant to look good or appealing. It's just meant to be here. Yeah. Also not. Tell Darwin anything. Sure, Berserk. Was it a stage 10? I thought it wasn't. The sound effect wasn't a thing, by the way. He added that post in the editing because there was no sound effect. It just showed the text. They did the musical, right? Meow for me, Luna. Yeah, they're doing the musical. The ghost. Yeah, that was a me mention. It's me. It's me, the ghost. It's a me mention. The first mention of me. First and last time, by the way, because then they called me server. We can't hear the music. They did ask us to add the music post editing, so I don't know if we did that. Yeah, we can't hear the music through his mic. It was also really bad. I was actually cringing so bad during that. I was cringing so bad during that part. I can't remember if it's copyright claimed. You'll see me fly a lot, because I don't like staying still. Maybe AG, who knows? Still can't hear it, and we still can't hear it. The music was at its first. We couldn't hear the music. I have nothing to say. It's just I literally had the music this time because we didn't have the music. I am definitely getting copyright claim, by the way. But yeah, that was our experience. The nothing. That was our experience. We didn't have the music, so we had to like imagine what it sounded like. That's why we can have their voices with the music, because we couldn't hear the music, so that helped with the tracking the music, removing the music because we didn't have it. But yeah. It's you could almost think it's on time, but they're late every single time. Oh, at this time, like on stage, that's when you'll see the colors, I think. Yeah, yeah. You'll see some people will have to start buzzing. Well, yeah, I didn't see High School Musical, so I don't know anything to. This is anything like musical related. I've barely watched any, so I don't have like the jokes and stuff. But yeah. You'll see some people have a color here. For example, LDZ does have a golden color because they weren't buzzed, and they in fact got a golden buzzer. So they were in the same by the way for buzzing multiple times and make sure that you can't press this twice if you already press it. They're gonna respect it anyway because it was built last second. So yeah. It is. Let's see Moody's. No, me neither. Me neither. Me neither. Yeah, it was a weird experience, Moody's. I get you. Well, we can now. Yeah, right, because I did think they got buzzed, but that was just pink. If I wanted to be movie school, that was a good 8, at least. All of them. No, it's not all of them. I think Chen was hiding or in prison. I don't know what happened to Chan, but oh, I couldn't see him. The thing that I knew he wasn't server, I just for some reason could not see him in tab. That's why I did it. But I was like, where is he? I thought he left, but no, I just couldn't see him for some reason. I don't know why. I just couldn't see him. Three-fourths of the crowd that was made for this did not get the reference. Good thing. In fact, they'll show your username, not whoever's in front of the password, because it's easier to track. Oh god, Luna. Oh god, no. Don't trust Luna. Hold on, we need to read that text. Holding up a web about the first placement introvert 11. Luna, if you're reading this right now, then I will find you in the next. I mean, that's a great talent. Is there a dB cutoff in this video? Because it was pretty fucking loud. There's no warning? Oh, we couldn't hear it because of noise suppression. Right, there was no suppression. I hope there's a warning because it is pretty fucking loud. Oh yeah, now we have the bad mic. Oh yeah. There is no noise warning? I can't remember if we can hear it here or if it's gonna be the next one afterwards. Because there might be no suppression here, but it was really fucking loud. So turn the volume down on the stream if you also don't want to get your ears destroyed. No, still not. Okay. Okay, there is noise. It was. I don't know if I can get the video. It was extremely loud from the live stream. I'm gonna try to get it. I can't remember when it was. I think it was extremely fucking loud. I'm not gonna lie. Look, they were half building. They didn't have walls and stuff. This because this was mid building. Alright, when Luna, that was the texture pack. That's the thing here, Luna. Yeah, we can't hear it. Chat. Here. It was extremely loud. So watch out. Yeah. Yeah. So that was it. That was how loud it was. I think it's a bit quieter. It is a bit quieter, but still. No, please don't. No, please don't. No. That was a 10. That was a 2 at best. Yeah. Yeah. That. -5. Ooh. That would go down, actually. Staccato. As soon as I heard that, I had the flashback from the Terminator 1 with Technoblade. Was it Technoblade? No, it wasn't. Who used the bird flying trick? There you go. I am 7 now. It is what I think she wanted people to just, yeah, do that. He's in great mode, yeah. I think like we break a few OSHA compliance rules here. She did only have one boat. USA. They're obviously using Rust to cheat and fly here. Which one was it? Oh, that was okay, yeah, I can remember that one. There's a 3-part, it's a 3-part track. Ooh. Like it'd be unfair because we can also see Norval and Boatfly. To be fair, I think yeah, reach of 9. Reach of 9 blocks. Oh, that's fine, go. I wonder how do they do the range on cheats. Yeah, even 3 blocks. But 7 should be able to check. Do you fake where you are? I guess. I never looked into client cheats. It looks so bad. It was in fact so bad. I did fix it. I am fixing it, as you can see. It was a mind-up server. Yeah. I think it's too close. I can't remember. It is Laura great. It is Laura great. And she just started flying away. She just flew away. I did TP her back. There we go. Change next to it's a 10 out of 10. Mm-hmm. So that was that was my Scarlet creepy. It was really funny. You'll see. You'll see. It is. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Web Dub. Pink genuinely just is like that. Genuinely hated that. Wait, what did I say? Hold on, I was leaking. Notes, nothing. Talent, nothing. I think he did genuinely have no talent and just wanted to do a bit on stage. Oh, there was music. Was he singing? No, I don't think he was. I think there's just music. I think there's not the bit is just nothing, and then the mic is just fucked up. I think that was just a bit. Yeah, I think that's the talent genuinely. Oh, there is music. I remember. Yeah. Okay, we can barely hear them singing, and also the audio is clipping because the voice filter was generally this bad. Wob is genuinely enjoying this, I think. Like, he's in the crowd just having fun. Yeah. Alright. I don't know what that was, but that would be a 4 for me. Even the second one. No. No, it's only once. Ooh, yep, no. There we go. I mean, yeah. I think it's just a voice mod sound effect. Like voice. Is that a threat? Running as walls. Running as stalker, yeah. Yuki knows me so well. He knows me. Oh, he knows me, bro. It is. Just change this mic. Yeah, yeah. He gets a pause though, so I did it with red. The stare. Yeah. The blank stare. Still Luna is still last place with 13 points. What was stage? Okay. Oh, Vic was next. What was Vic's talent? Yeah. Can you give it the last one? Alright. You're keeping him in here. Hates us. That is canon. He does hate Heartstopper. If you go on Twitter, you will not see a single quote tweet about Heartstopper. Don't go on Twitter though. I don't want to give her any shout out. I think the joke is the judges make pressing the X the buzzer. Leave that love. Let's see. Let's. Don't say raw dog. I feel like the raw dog part was the real bad one. I think I generated. Yeah, I did ask if that was generated by AI. It's hard. I'm pretty sure, chance. I did get a sub 20, by the way. I did get sub 20. That is kind of. I think it was before. Was it before or after the sub 20 runs? Oh, wow, yeah. But she did get golden buzzard. I think there's a wind noise around. Well, yeah, Kaneki wanted to go on stage. I think it is the last one. Let's see. Oh yeah, as we said it. Oh yeah, that was it. Didn't you end, bro? Yeah, you do. You do. He was live until like 5 a.m. yesterday trying to do the thumbnail, by the way. That was nice. Did like the video, obviously. But yeah, that was the video. I liked it. Then it's a great video. Next time, Smoker will win all the good buzzers in Bikini Bottom. Great video. I'm not gonna search for real for booties. Oh, I'm just replying now. Let me close it. There we go. Alright, cutting time. I don't have a long time though, because I have to hang out with friends in like 45 minutes. It's gonna be a small cutting stream. I'm going to get this out of the way because I haven't editing in a long time. No, I haven't reacted in a long time. And I did have some info to say, so I wanted to react to the live to tell you all the bits that happened. Okay, so let me just remove that. There we go. Boom. Okay. So coding, am I right? Oh, it's not showing the video. I thought it was a screen. Oh shit, did I not do that? Oh, I didn't. Alright. There we go, boom, cutting. So this is the whole coding thing. I'm coding, guys. It's real. It's happening. There's a shit on stuff. I haven't worked on the Infinity in genuinely, I think, 4 months. I genuinely forgot how the Infinity works. So be a learning experience for everybody here. So I should change the text to say, actually coding. Wow. Yeah. Closer now. I think I have to update every single thing in here. Whatever. So. Oh. Oop. Let me first do. That's a pull request. Statement to. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. What should I work on? I can't remember what game I was working on, to be fair. I think Arms Race isn't really worked on. I think it's a parkour is the only one that actually fucking works. Multi Race is deprecated for now because I've got a new game. Trials is broken. Tag, I think Tag was the one I was working on because Finder, yeah, there's a shit ton of them. Yeah, why is Minecraft? Can I see in the server what it looks like? I guess not. Let's do. I guess Tag, right? The one I worked on. Until explosion is 50 seconds. 7 times is 40 seconds. 7 days base is also 40 seconds. That just changes. That's the final. Base doesn't change. Even the walls have loading on there. Oh, diction bag is broken. Oh, I'm downloading it. Never mind. Is it broken? Let's see. Oh, it's not. Oh, it works. Oh, yeah. Oh, and that code still works. Awesome. Right, tag. MVTP tag, I think it is. Yeah. Center. I think that's the center now. And if not, I should do world border center. Yeah. Fun fact, that used to be red, but I'm not creative. Red carpet is a booster, so it doesn't work in this version, but this will. But yeah, so I had to change that. So yeah, that's the map from a while ago. Also, nobody noticed, but yeah. No, I think because all the lights are broken. If I go to not broken, but was it frog light? They're all being used for something, yeah. I guess I could do room lights. Yeah. It looks less like a light, but at least it doesn't have the weird texture, you know? I know Micah built this map like a while ago. Maybe they're watching this stream and hate me for changing this light, but I have to, otherwise it just looks weird with the texture I have. I think that's the only light used. So Micah is the signature because of this art. The signature that Micah's building. And I will not remove it. I think you can hide in here. If you get here, yeah, you can go here. Yeah, okay. So, the code is, yeah, 90 seconds, blah, blah, blah. There we go. Use a random player. To tell your decimal for the border on the side. Set wall size is a custom one where it just says it'll shrink whatever the new size will be. I feel like it should be like that. Wait, something is broken. Oh, damage base is that. Right, so you cannot be. Oh yeah, the base is. Yeah, okay, now I get it. The base is where it will be reset to every time. I'm genuinely just reloading everything right. Okay, so that. What else? I'm basically to hide the name tag. And that says you tagged in the chat. Gives and remove point you have tagged. And then you were tagged by you were tagged. You were tagged. What is this? Oh, it's the bomb emoji. In red, yeah. Okay. Doesn't tell you who you were tagged by. They are glowing, I think. Yeah. I think they should have a TNT on their head. Tiger, the inventory, the helmet, which is a new. No, it's item stack of air. Fuel air. Boom. Here TNT. The original border is. Oh yeah, because it's tiger. Da, da, da. I'd say the tiger is not north, but I should all stay in here actually. Okay. The here resets. They get reset? Oh yeah, no. Switch until explosion goes down. Every time you hit someone, the switch until the explosion resets. If the time until explosion is less than, if 1 seconds, you remove 1 the time to explode. And if the switch until the explosion is equal to 0, you reset, you explode. The explode just gets the tiger, which obviously not null. Because we just set it here. Show the username, but they're gonna be hidden anyway. Everybody gets points. Everybody's go back if less than go up. Oh, if you're like if you're less than 2, so if you have less than 1 HP. Oh yeah, that means you died, right? Because every time you die, you lose 1 heart. Otherwise, you lose. And then this reset. And then you choose a random player. Okay, alright. That should work then. That game should be done. Yeah. Damn, I actually worked on this. I thought I didn't, but I guess I did. Yeah. From today. What else? Wait, can I spawn? Yeah. That's fake. I like that. That's fixed, I think. Does that work? Yes. That should be reset. Can I do reset? Well, I didn't reset. Why? Reset. Oh, because I don't reset the. Oh, okay. NPC cell. That's ID 8 to 16. For int NPC ID, which is starts at 8. NPC ID is less than 17 NPC ID plus plus. NPC. Get the API. I think that's that. NPC is equal to API. Get NPC registry. Get by ID. NPC ID. NPC don't. How do you change the skin of an NPC? I think it's an attribute. Set. Also, Minecraft has NPCs now. I could just use normal NPC. I don't want to do it because it'll change everything. Add trait, which is a skin trait. How do you do that? I think, hold on. I think Mayhem has that. I remember walking on that. Ooh! Thank you, Ollie, for the follow. Oh, and everything broke. You actually followed and everything broke. That's awesome. Welcome, welcome. You're NPC man. How do I treat NPC? No. Yeah. Oh yeah. Get or add trait.
I got an ad that's crazy loudly crying face.
That's really bad timing. Set skin name. Well, I don't want to do that. I want to do based on URL. How do you do that? Is it from a model type? Set skin patch? Wait. That's just Twitter. Right, that's crazy. Set skin patch. Citizen API. The skin traits. The skin patch. How does that work? That's just a name, which is. That's just the name of that username. Set skin persistent. Probably that. Set skin persistent. And then here, I need to get the skin data. Skin name or cache key, the signature data. I think that was somewhere? Shit, I can't remember. I might have to just get it back from wherever I was. Shit. Star, do you have it, maybe? No. Because I remember having those somewhere. I can just remake one, right? What's the website for that? Skin signature Minecraft? You know you can have that. I don't know where I see. Let's just come in. Citizen skins here. Mine skin. There we go. If I do that, the valid image found. Oh, the baby's like, okay. Boom. You listed name. Variant. I think it's a C, but sure, auto detect. There you go. Okay, so skin value, skin signature, and then I can just give it a name. So the name will be QM. This value is this. Do you want the signature or the value first? This signature. Right, so signature is this. Oh, what is it? Oh, we're just missing one thing. And then the value data is this. Okay. I'll copy a link to this just in case I lose it and I need that. Later. Last moment. Yeah, I have access to this anyway. Okay. Boom. So that's done. So boom, you should get that. I also just need to rename you. npc.setName. What's your name? Oh shit, you need to be mini message serialized, don't you? Fuck. You're string. Get mini message dot serialize and get component dot text. Boom. Your top plus npc id minus 7. We just added 8 plus. We also do that. And then TBD next to it. Dash TBD and your text color. No, color type. You're just subtitle. Like subtext. I think that's where you are. Any check on the ground, right? Any check? Yeah. Okay. Well, I have to hope it's right. Wait, what? Wait, why is this redundant? So I just need to do. What have I done? What have I done? Where am I? Yeah, why am I? So I just do +7 here and then just do 1 until 8. Like until. One through, well, there's 10 of them. 11. And then you're just NPC ID. Why is this redundant? Oh, I'm dumb. It's because I have the reason true. I'm actually stupid. Yeah, 8. What if I just do 8? No, because it's 8 to 16. So that, right? Yeah, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 16. What did that only show? Wait, what? Wait, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Oh, there's 17, that's why. CID, and your NPC ID -7. Okay, that should do it. That should do it. So boom. Now you will get queried and replaced with these mark. I can. I think if I do, I forgot. I think it's. I just need to do plugmanx disable the 32. delete this one and then just build a new one. And if I enable it, open. Like medic, I need to just. I'll just restart the server. It'll be faster anyway. I think Plugmanator doesn't like me messing up with databases and stuff. When I do that, he just yells at me. That's fine. We got time. Morty and Marina's for Dragon skins are nice. Also, Oli, I don't know if you saw it. I think because I like replay a day later, but I did fill the form in Dev a while ago. And then I got nothing in assignments. I believe you'll just hate me. Or you probably just didn't say, oh, you don't have anything to give me, which is fair. I'm just letting you know if you're still watching the stream. Just letting you know. Oh yeah, it worked. Alright. Also, is way fast. Did you see how fast that was? It used to be so fucking slow with script. It's so fast now. Alright, awesome. So let's reset wonks. What else to walk on? The full test will come later, so I'm not even gonna bother editing all games now. Finder. I think Finder's new knowing one. I'm gonna go do it. Spliff is next. Spliff is interesting. There's like different types. There's boing, which you jump higher, and then it's boing inverted, and you jump lower. It's just please that happens. Show it. Just to build so I can bunch of annoying stuff. That's DKing. Leave DKing walks. How do I check when you change a layer? Do I do that? Action bar. What's your current layer here? And then you'll power up. That just written an enum. Yeah. That just happens. I think that happens every tick. Every 2 ticks, you just shake what yours is, and if you're none, I just do all that. That should work. Maybe the round system doesn't work. Maybe. Anywhere. Encore has a good base on how what to do when the game ends, because I remember finishing Encore. Oh, there you go. If take a run. Else I need to restart Spleef. To do that in mode, I think I check that. Or I could just restart it if instance of Spleef. Should it be start pregame? Yeah, start pregame just handles that. Alright. So just wait 10 seconds. And just run it. Oh. I'm already doing it. Like me, I guess. I'm putting it here. What, have I just done every game actually? Am I dumb and I forgot I did every single game? Probably, honestly, probably. What else? I think arms race. Did I do arms race? Oh, this is set up for every single weapon. You can see here. It's fun, right? I thought that was so far back, but I guess not. They still have a respawn function, not from Spigot. They don't. Not from Spigot. Same here, I guess. If the game will reach 0, and this checks if you're above the weapon count, the amount of weapons there are. If you're here, basically, if you're on weapon 32, the game ends. If you're on weapon 30 and win. Wait. What does that do? Hold on. Every kills is the weapon that the player has -1. You get the player -1. So if you're on a weapon 30, weapon 30 is that's 0, right? And weapon 29. I actually have to check if you're at 31. Or could I just not check if that kills? -1, right? Wait, so the size is 33. No, that's right. The size is 33 because 0 is the first weapon. 0 is the golden knife that everybody has. I guess that works. This is actually horrible if I'm actually coding now and actually not coding because I've realized I've done every single game already. I was sure I was so far back. I guess just testing, right? Yo, Void, what's up? I guess testing.
What's happening?
I'm coding the event 580, which is, I don't know if you remember the event I had a while ago. That worked horribly. And I'm just actually now realizing that I've actually done every single one of them. And I thought I didn't because it's been a while, but apparently I've done everything. So it's actually very awkward for me to look at that. Because I was pretty sure I wasn't done, but I guess I'm done, so I just need testing. And I never ended up testing. That's actually awkward. I guess yeah, that works at 1 minute, 3 minutes for menus. That's to yep. Create the GUI to give points to give time to, which this feature has never been used. I knew it was never gonna be used ever, but I'm like, if you have like an hour ahead of you, you're like in the end, and you know you're gonna win, and you wanna be like, I have like 5 blocks to place, and I have like 5 minutes left, which has never happened because nobody ever finished it fully. But if it never happens, you're like, I have 5 minutes left and I have like 3 blocks to place and I have everything I need. You can go in the mall and send your time to another player. I explained this once at the start. It's like the sense of time, what is it, the snake or something? Where you like you can bank your coins but lose 20% of the coins you bank because you used it and not escaped. You like safely bank
Holy
coins.
shit, Sands of Time.
Yeah. It's kind of the same thing with the time where you can just give time to somebody else.
Now I need to play Sands of Time most.
Shit, what am I doing with my camera there? But like, I've never, like, nobody has ever been using it because it's useless. You use it if you have friends, but nobody asked for it in this event, so it's GG. And nobody ever finished it in time, so yeah. It should be a system where you should, that's what I'm gonna work on. There should be a system. Oh, here. Oh, I did that. Oh, I'm actually a genius. If you already bought the item, you don't have to buy it again. I'm a fucking genius. The old system didn't used to track the blocks you had, so if you bought blocks, like win them all, bring blocks, and leave them all, you buy them with time, alright? But if you went back to the mall and left again, you used to pay for those blocks again. Because the also because you didn't track what blocks you bought in the at the time, etc. Now it does, which means if you buy a block, if you buy a certain block, and you go in the mall and come back, this block will be bought, and then you'll have the thing. I think I should also change the thing how it works.
Thinking face.
Wait, did I never implement? Wait. Yeah, actually. Wait. Yeah, item. Get best. I'm gonna. Bull. Is that how it works? I forgot how it works. Oh, the type. What's the type? I think true here doesn't work. Oh, it does. Okay. Yeah. Now the item is actually bought, and it's also it should say item dot get item dot. Wait. Item meta. Meta is this. Item meta. Meta dot set display name. Meta display name. dot happen component dot text. Font. And then it should be green. Color type MC. I think I called it. Yeah. Wait, what? Wait, do you? Oh, because you need style then text, I guess. Oh no. It's because no. Because I forgot to do don't get color. Yeah. Na 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 na. There you go. Now when you buy them, it adds bot at the end to show that you bought it. And that means when you go in the mall, they won't stick to each other. In case you'll see they're gonna be two distinct blocks. And then item dot set which is meta. Alright, awesome. Da, 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 da. Yeah, that was never used. That's what I thought. Okay, awesome. That actually is a fix. That is a fix that I didn't take into account last time. Ba 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 la ba ba. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. This function has everyone finished. Will never be triggered. This function will never be triggered. I guess no, at everyone finished is if the remaining players is empty, which if you die, you're booted out of the remaining players. Wait, if the timer is 0 seconds added to the list, this doesn't make sense. If it's more than 0, dumbass. It just doesn't make sense. It just doesn't make sense. When do I check for if a build is done? Set next build is called, I think, when build is done. Yeah. If the flow build is correct, based on the build and that. Yeah. Yeah. If it's correct, you also need to get points here. I don't remember how to do scoring system currently. What else? Oh, and add time. You do time. To add, I have 5 minutes. Holy shit. Okay, this is actually I have to actually hurry up. Do you get them have an add time command? Do they have add time? Do you have add time? Do they have a time? Timer to play timer. Do you have a time? Do you have time? Do you have a time? Do you have a time? Do you have a time? Do you have add 1 second? This doesn't help. I guess it does, actually. I could just call the function in loop so I have to see the timer go. I think that's sick as fuck. I'm gonna do that because that's fucking sick. Okay. Do you have a function that counts the seconds you need for the plot? Show build, is flow build correct? Show flow build, clear flow build, set next build. Do you set when you set? Do you add time? Do you add time when you set? Oh, I already done that. I'm actually a fucking genius. Okay, do you have the time? Do I add the points? I already had the points. So when I said, oh my god, I'm actually a genius. It does it in here already. Wait, who didn't tell me that? It's almost as if I forgot how the code works. Almost. You'd think I forgot how the code works, but thank God I checked functions because I realized that no, I did done that already. God, I'm actually horrible. I'm genuinely horrible. Okay. So Bellmaster is done. Then Bo PvP is last. I'm going to replace Bo PvP with I don't know what though. This is actually speedrun. I have 2 minutes. Okay, I have 2 minutes. Shit. I'm gonna have to look for someone to raid to because I do not know. Let me down the side too. Yeah. Twitch.tv, quick. I'm actually scraping to see how it works. So create inventory. What is that? What does that do? When the game start, yeah, you set the invincibility time to 0. You clear the inventory, and then you should add everything. Oh, that's no, wrong one. Yeah, shit. Okay, here you add everything in the inventory here, right? Yeah, give bow, give sword. Said here already. Okay, awesome. And then you give the arrows at the end. It's an infinity bow, so it's fine. Shit. List of top players, blah blah blah, whatever. Why do I need that? Oh, if you're a top player, you're glowing. Oh, that's a big addition I added. If you're a top player, you're glowing. Oh, that's big. That's big. Okay. Warriors, max health, damage out of the world. Yeah, you get damage out of world if you're under the map, so that I can kill you. I damage you the amount of health you have to kill you. That's actually genius. +2 just in case. I'm actually a genius, guys. Past me was a genius. It's 29. Holy shit, I gotta go. I actually gotta go. I can be late. I actually gotta go. It's insane. I have 6 people watching me not knowing what I'm doing. This is insane. Okay, thank you guys. But I'm actually gonna have to go now. I'm genuinely gonna be late to my friend's meeting, so I'm gonna go. Who can I raid? Quick. I'm gonna raid. Nobody's coding. Nobody in my. Shit. Okay, I'm gonna raid. Where are they? Where is Games Done Quick? I wanna raid Games Done Quick because they do the French event called Speedrun where they speedrun events. They played video games for 4 days. They speedrun a bunch of things. They're speedrunning Deltarune. They're doing this for charity. They've already collected 800,000 euros, which is insane. I think it's like $1 million, which is insane. It's going on until tomorrow. They have a restream in English, in Spanish, and in German, which is insane. And it's big, and they're speedrunning, and it's cool, and I've been watching the whole week, for the whole weekend. And they're speedrunning Deltarune Chapter 4 any%, so you definitely should go watch it. It's actually awesome. I'm gonna rate them now. But they're doing a French, English, German, and Spanish broadcast, and it's actually fucking insane. So I'm gonna raid Games Done Quick because it is huge. You should go watch it now. It's awesome. They're speedrunning. It's for charity. They're doing insane. You should go watch. You can get a badge too if you watch for an hour or 15. Yeah, I think you can get a badge if you watch for an hour. It's really cool. But yeah, I'm also watching this. They're doing Deltarune right now. They're doing Clarobscuro in the night, like around midnight, U time. They're doing doing a bunch of they're planning with everything. They're doing Portal 2, they're doing Peak, there's a bunch of games that they're speedrunning. They're speedrunning what is it? Fuck, I forgot the name. Shit. Silksong, they're speedrunning Silksong. It's actually fucking awesome. You should go. Even if you can't donate, just go watch. It's genuinely awesome. It's a big speedrunning event happening every year. And it's the 6th year. There's a broadcasting in every language. So yeah, thank everybody for watching. I will see you tomorrow for Hollow Knight, maybe next week for more coding, if I actually remember what to code, which I do. I have some stuff to code on the side, but yeah. Thank everybody for watching. I will see you next week or tomorrow if you're watching for Hollow Knight. Bye!